Okay guys, I want you to listen very well, okay, because a lot of people now ask me to teach them about how to trade forex. You understand? There are different type of ways you trade forex, but I'm going to teach you the very simple way that even a new forex trader can follow it easily. Okay, forex is not hard. It's not hard. It's just about some things that you need to know. It has to do with certain kind of timing. Okay, now let's say you base this thing on this support and resistance. You just apply support and resistance to your chart. Okay, I think this support resistance is a daily movement support resistance. Okay, let's say you apply it to your chart, and the way it has been set up is that it comes out every day at the same time. I mean, the Japanese time, 5 p.m. You know, it will come out and alert you. Now you will look at this point where I'm touching. You will look exactly when the support and resistance came out, which is this blue. Okay, the price touched this resistance, right? So now all you need to know is that since price touch resistance, that is exactly where price will go. Okay, so all these things are just things that, you know, price needs strength to go break that resistance. Okay, and these are the things that confuse people in the market, where people always lose their money by getting in, getting out, by to confusion. So all you just need to do is just, you know, no need to do a lot of things. Just put a pending order somewhere, and by the time the price is ready to turn around and go, you just carry your market and go. So when you know also that the price will never go more than maybe 100 pips in a day or 50 pips, just target 50 pips and go and wait for the next day and repeat the same thing over and over again. This is how you make money in the forex. Look at this example. Okay, support and resistance came out. Okay, price is touching resistance and then pull back and started making this type of things, and then now it's getting ready to go. Do you understand this? So if you kind of enjoy this kind of lesson, don't worry about the support resistance. When I put this video somewhere for sale, okay, I will still upload that support and resistance tool for you. Okay, because all these things have its own settings. Okay, now look at this. When support resistance came out, you see price was even touching that, you know, I think here price touched it and broke it because of this open, broke it and got here and still touching it, and price will now come back and go. You understand? That is support resistance for you, the most easiest way to trade forex. Look at this. When support resistance line came out and the price has touched the resistance, and then later it pulled back and later went to break it, and now it's gonna protect and go. Just 50 pips is okay. There's no need to target 100 pips, since you know that you're gonna come and wait for the next day. And look at this one. Price has touched support resistance. When the support resistance line came out, price was touching on the resistance. So you understand that yes, price will pull back, but that is the direction it wants to go. So all you need to do is just put a pending order somewhere. Then price will do what it's got to do. It will go. Okay, there's no point to be afraid in the forex market. Okay, being afraid is what exactly do make people to lose. Okay, this lesson or whatever this video might be so short and so fast. You understand? And I think that is the very best way that it's easy for me to teach you, so that you also can quickly set up your chart with the tools I give you and with the help of this video. You understand? You can quickly set up your chart and keep yourself running, you know. So I will put the support resistance tool, okay, under this video, okay. And so sorry that you all will need to watch this video with money, because I'm selling this video. It's a strategy, you know. So it's like a course, a mini course. That is what it is. So when you grab the video, you watch it, just come back and pick the support resistance tool. It's gonna be ready for you. Thank you.